Hey guys, welcome to my channel ArtTube. I'm Ritu and in today's video I'll show you how to draw realistic ice gola using watercolor and salt. So without further ado, let's get started.
मैं ले रही हूँ ब्रिस्टो का आर्टिस्ट वाटर कलर पेपर, कैमल आर्टिस्ट वाटर कलर, few round brushes, salt and water. सबसे पहले मैं स्केच बना ले रही हूँ पेंसिल से. I'm taking scarlet lake, lemon yellow, viridian green and cobalt blue. Outline के अंदर I'm applying plain water like this. Now I'm taking red color and applying it like this. And now I'm mixing yellow and red color ताकि मुझे ऑरेंज कलर मिल जाए और इसे भी इस तरीके से अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. And now I'm applying yellow color. Basically I'm making rainbow shades. Now I'm applying green color. और अब मैं ब्लू कलर ले रही हूँ और इसे भी इस तरीके से अप्लाई कर दे रही हूँ. Now I am sprinkling some salt like this. Now it's completely dry. Now I am gently removing the salt like this. And now I am removing excess salt with a brush. I'm repeating the process because I want it to be more vibrant. Watercolor में we have to work on layers to achieve the desired result. And now I'm adding some shadows like this. Here I am showing water dripping from ice gola. Here I am taking yellow ochre and painting the stick. And with burnt sienna, I am making some details. And adding some shadows. And with white color, I am making some random dots like this to show highlights. And with darker tone, I am adding some shadows.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and if you did then like, subscribe and share. And video kaisa laga do let me know in the comment section. And if you guys haven't seen my video on how to draw pani puri using watercolor and salt then link आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. And आपको किस फ्लेवर का कोला पसंद है मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.